The journey begins here. For thousands of students, a chance to explore, a chance to create their own futures. Carolina Distance Learning provides customizable labs for online science, so you can take your students even further. Using the highest quality products in kits designed for safety, reliability, and rigor. Personal protective equipment, clear instructions, and safety data sheets are included in every kit. Our distance learning experts create, test, and retest every lab, offering you and your students lab kits in 8 areas of study with infinite possibilities for customization. We partner with leading organizations in distance learning to extend your capabilities, and Carolina Distance Learning supports you with unparalleled resources to help you and your students succeed with any type of at-home lab and the most extensive distribution system in the industry to ensure your students have everything they need when they need it, allowing you to focus on engaging with your students. Carolina Distance Learning gives students a robust set of digital resources, including introductory videos. Explore our website to discover free resources, send us your questions, submit your syllabus, and get a preview of a free no-obligation quote and get a free sample kit delivered right to your door. Carolina Distance Learning and you, transforming futures through the power of science.